With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So guys, here in this question it is given that two cylinders P and Q of same mass and same radius starting rolling down a fixed inclined plane, okay, from the same height at the same time, and the cylinder P has most of its mass concentrated near its surface, while Q is nothing but the other cylinder, that means the second cylinder has the most of its mass concentrated near the axis. Choose the correct statement regarding the motion of P and Q. So I will try to explain this question in with the help of a figure. Okay, so these two are the cylinders P and Q. Okay, so which are rolling on this inclination surface. Okay, from this height, this is the height h. Okay, so as they are rolling, cylinder P has most of its mass concentrated on its surface, while for the Q cylinder, most of its mass concentrated near the axis only. So according to that, acceleration is, we can find the acceleration A is equals to mg sine theta divided by m plus 1 divided by r square. Okay, so according to that, AP, that means acceleration of the cylinder P, will be equals to mg sine theta divided by m plus mr square divided by r square. So which we will get as g divided by 2. So this is the acceleration of the cylinder P. So in the similar way, acceleration A Q, that means acceleration of the cylinder Q, will be equals to g into sine theta as IQ. So which is similar to 0. Okay, so according to that, omega P will be equals to under root of 2 into g divided by 2 into L. Okay, so which is completely divided by R again. So this is the WP value, omega P value. In the similar way, omega Q value will be under root 2GL divided by capital R into, omega Q value will be equals to under root 2GL divided by R. Okay, so we can say omega P value is greater than the omega Q value. Okay, so according to this particular solution, we can say Q reaches the ground with larger angular speed. Okay, so the reason because why it reaches faster than the P is nothing but here omega P value is greater than the omega Q value. So even the acceleration is also similar to 0. Okay, so that is why Q reaches the ground with a larger angular speed. So according to that, option B is the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.